we, the people of India, it is our most duty to think about the future of our country. Now we are seeing a great problem, that is very enormous, rapid, uncontrolled population growth in India is a vast problem for economic crisis. In 2030, it will cross 170 crores population size in world, which is the largest population country in the world. But in India, our natural resources, our land area is limit according to rise of population, natural resources and land is not increasing. So we should deeply think about the uncontrolled growth of future of population. What will be happen in future if we will not control this size of population? Now in India there are many lakhs of people, crores of people below poverty line. It is only due to largest population in the world. And so every person are not getting their employment opportunity, and it is not easy for a government to provide the work job to everybody in the India. So we should collectively and think about how the population will control. You can see that China has framed one child policy since last 40 years. Now that country is very largest economic in the world. But our land area is very less than China, and our population is increasing very rapidly than every country of the world. But today it is our duty of all people, those who are inside in India, those who are taking food, air from India, they should think the future of India and the future generation, what will be happen in future. So deeply we think and to will demand to our all parliament members to frame a new policy to control the population, to control the birth number in India. Those who are living in India in respect of caste, religion, society and all the differences and diversities, we should obey for our good future the law passed by the parliament, which will be good and better for future of India. And we will create the awareness among the people to create voice to make a law to control birth and population in India, all corner of the India. Everyone should raise voice regarding this major issue and which is mostly responsible for economic crisis in India. Only population which is increasing rapidly, that is a major cause for economic crisis. It is not possible for a government to provide employment opportunity job to everybody. According to the growth of population, there is not increasing natural resources. So we should deeply think how our population will control and our natural resources will save for future generation, and how we'll protect our climate. The major population in India is the other cause for population, for pollution of air, climate and water scarcity. All the crisis that is happening due to the enormous quantity of population in the India. So we should deeply request to each other to raise voice and demand to our parliament members to immediately make and frame a new policy to control the population and birth in India for good of nation.